Think about it, rain won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Hey guys, good morning to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. And who are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and share, like my videos. Guys, today's special is Andhra special recipe idli with sambar. And this is going to be very tasty recipe guys. Please try at home and let me know in the comment section how I really felt about the taste. I just added 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it get heat up, I just added 1 cup of moong dal. This moong dal I just washed it and strain out all the water and just adding to the oil so that the raw flavor should go no guys. So that is the reason I'm gonna salt it. We need to keep sauteing until the raw flavor goes. It hardly takes 5 minutes guys in a medium flame. We need to keep sauteing because it is going to stick to the bottom and there is a chances of burning the moong dal, so that shouldn't happen guys. Only the raw flavor should go, that's it. Okay guys, it's almost done. Now I'm gonna add the water of 3 glasses. I just measured and took it in a 1 container and just adding together. I want this sambar to be bit watery guys. If you don't want to be watery, and please reduce 1 glass, add 2 glass, that's enough. And here I just added 1 knob of peeled garlic, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Give a nice mix to it. This is Andhra special recipe guys. In my childhood days I used to have a lot because less spiciness with a great taste. I used to enjoy a lot, but for the first time I'm just preparing it guys for you. Please try this and you're gonna enjoy it. And for the same pressure cooker I'm gonna add 1 big size tomato and 5 to 6 green chilies. Here 1 onion medium size. Give a nice mix to it. Now I'm going to close the lid and wait for 3 whistles to come. Meanwhile I'm going to do the tempering part. And here just added 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of black gram seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Let it fry for some time. This recipe, people will not add tomatoes, onions, green chili in the pressure cooker guys. Only with the moong dal and the garlic, turmeric, and they're gonna pressure cook, and separately they're gonna temper this part and they're gonna add it to the pressure cooker. But here both the sides I'm just adding tomatoes as well as the onions because I want this recipe to be special and great taste. That is the reason here again I just added 4 to 5 green chilies and 2 medium size onions, curry leaves, fresh curry leaves. And here I'm just adding 2 small tomatoes and let it fry this for some time. Salt well. After 5 minutes, so yeah, it's done guys. Now I'm going to cut off the stove and let's prepare idli now. Guys, did you observe the idli batter? It's really bouncing and very soft, fluffy idlis we're gonna have. I just grease the idli molds with the oil and then I'm just pouring the batter. It's looking yummy. Andhra recipe means you guys might think it is going to be a spicy recipe. It depends on you how many green chilies you're going to add. This moong dal sambar recipe, if you have with a medium spice, definitely you're going to enjoy the taste. Try to have with a medium spice guys. So now let's open the pressure cooker. After 3 whistles, once it got cooled down, I just opened it. What an aroma, guys. I'm just waiting to have the breakfast today. So yeah, I'm gonna mess this. So this tempering part, I'm just gonna add it to the pressure cooker. Gonna mix well. And here, I just told you, guys, I want this too watery. So I'm gonna add a bit of water over here. I'm gonna add the salt and the coriander leaves for the flavor. Give a nice mix to it, guys. Now I'm gonna add the salt, and this I'm gonna boil this for 2 minutes. Did you see the consistency, guys? Perfect. And the taste, I've already tasted, guys. It's superb. Here is the perfect time to cut off the stove. Our sambar is ready and our idli is also ready. Did you see how I poured on the idlis, guys? This is how we need to have this idli and sambar recipe. Very tasty, guys. Give it a try. That's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.